Start affiliate marketing under 600. Hello friends, what is going on? Nowadays, youth people want to earn money, but without investing money. But they want to earn money, and how will it happen? No one needs to know this, it seems. It is most important to know how it will happen. In today's video, I want to tell you about a very fast-growing website, and I want to tell you how to earn money from it. You can earn 600 to 1,000 rupees from this website, and you will be able to earn easily by giving only 2 to 3 hours. And the name of this website is Millionaire Track. By working on it, you can easily earn 600 to 1,000 rupees. Step to earn money: 1. Go to home description. 2. Click the link. Choose you 3. Choose any course. 4. Go to billing. 5. Learn creator skills. 6. Earn money. Hope you must have liked it. If possible, please like, enroll soon and learn. See you in next video.